Deep in the heart of the jungle, where rivers sparkle under the sun and towering trees guard ancient secrets, lived a curious young lion cub named Lumo. Unlike the other cubs, Lumo was small, shy, and often afraid to try new things. But little did he know, one brave decision would soon change his life forever.
Courage is not about being fearless, Lumo. It's about taking a step even when you're afraid.
One hot afternoon, jungle animals gather near the river. News spreads. A baby monkey has slipped into a narrow cave near the riverbank while playing, and now it is trapped inside. The cave is dark, and the entrance is too small for the bigger animals. Panic rises among the animals.
If we wait too long, the rising river will flood the cave.
Everyone looks around for help. The monkeys are crying, the elephants are too large, and the smaller birds are too weak. Suddenly, the owl notices Lumo.
Lumo, you're small enough to fit inside. You can save the baby monkey.
Lumo's heart races. He remembers his past failures, and fear grips him. The other cubs whisper, doubting he can do it. Lumo takes a deep breath. His mother's words echo in his mind. Courage is about taking a step even when you're afraid. With trembling paws, Lumo squeezes into the cave. It's dark and dripping water echoes.
Don't worry, I'll get you out.
Carefully, he guides the monkey back toward the light, even though rocks scrape him and water splashes against his paws. The jungle erupts in cheers. The monkey's family hugs Lumo, tears of gratitude in their eyes. For the first time, Lumo stands tall, no longer the shy cub. From that day on, Lumo was no longer known as the timid cub. He became the lion who found his strength when it mattered most. And all the animals learned that sometimes a single act of courage can change not just your life, but the lives of many others too.